Right now, as you're watching this video, the entire planet beneath your feet is humming. It's vibrating, like a massive bell that never stops ringing. You can't hear it, your ears aren't built for it, but it's there. Scientists discovered it by accident, and what they found changed everything we thought we knew about our planet. This isn't science fiction, this is happening right now. Welcome to SpinoFax. I'm Matias, and today we're diving into one of Earth's most mysterious phenomena. A sound so deep, so constant, that it took us thousands of years to even detect it. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn will change the way you think about the ground you're standing on. In 1998, a team of scientists was studying earthquake data from seismometers placed around the world. They weren't looking for earthquakes that day, they were looking at the quiet moments, the times when nothing should be happening. And that's when they noticed something bizarre. The Earth wasn't quiet. It was never quiet. There was a constant hum, a vibration so faint that no human could feel it, but sensitive instruments picked it up everywhere. Every seismometer on the planet detected the same thing. The frequency? Between 2.9 and 4.5 millihertz. That's about 10,000 times lower than what human ears can detect. If you could hear it, it would sound like the deepest note imaginable, a bass tone that never ends. Here's where it gets wild. This hum makes the entire surface of Earth move. Not much, only about the width of an atom, but it's constant. Day and night, summer and winter. It never stops. The planet is literally ringing like a bell. So what's causing it? That's the question that haunted scientists for decades. At first they thought maybe it was earthquakes, small tremors happening all the time that we don't notice. But the pattern didn't match. Earthquakes are random. This hum was steady, predictable, constant. Then they considered volcanoes. Maybe magma moving beneath the crust created vibrations? But volcanoes are localized. This hum was global. The breakthrough came when researchers started looking at the oceans, and that's where everything clicked into place. The ocean doesn't just sit there, it's constantly moving. Waves crash against the seafloor, storms churn the water, currents collide, and all of that energy doesn't just disappear, it gets transferred into the Earth's crust. The ocean floor is being pounded by billions of gallons of water every second all around the world. Think about it like this. Imagine taking a drum and placing it underwater. Now imagine waves constantly hitting that drum from every direction. The drum would vibrate, right? That's essentially what's happening to Earth. The ocean is the drumstick and the planet is the drum. But here's what makes it more fascinating. The hum isn't the same everywhere. Different parts of the ocean create different frequencies depending on the depth, the strength of the waves, and the shape of the seafloor. Scientists can actually map ocean activity just by listening to the Earth's vibrations. During massive storms, the hum gets louder. When the seas are calm, it gets quieter. The planet is literally responding to what's happening on its surface in real time. Now, you might be thinking, okay, cool, but why does this matter? Great question. Understanding Earth's hum helps scientists study the planet's interior. Those vibrations travel through the layers of rock, magma, and metal deep inside the Earth. By analyzing how the hum changes, researchers can create detailed maps of what's beneath our feet without ever digging a hole. It's like using sound to see inside the planet. It also helps predict natural disasters. Changes in the hum can indicate shifts in tectonic plates or magma movement before they become dangerous. We're basically learning to listen to the Earth's heartbeat. And here's something that blows my mind. This hum has been happening for billions of years, long before humans existed, long before dinosaurs. The Earth has been singing this silent song since oceans first formed. We just didn't have the technology to hear it until now. Every mountain range, every continent, every island is part of this global symphony. The Atlantic Ocean creates one tone, the Pacific creates another. The Indian Ocean adds its own note. Together, they create a chorus that resonates through the entire planet. So the next time you're standing outside, remember, you're standing on a musical instrument, a planet-sized bell that's been ringing for eons. We live on a world that hums, vibrates, and sings in frequencies we can't hear, but can finally understand. If this blew your mind like it did mine, smash that like button, subscribe to SpinoFax for more hidden truths about our world. drop a comment and tell me, what other Earth mysteries do you want me to cover? Thanks for watching, and remember, the truth is always more incredible than fiction. I'm Matias, and I'll see you in the next one.